Have you ever wondered why balls are hard, water flows, and air glides? Well, don't fret because I'm going to teach you guys all about the different states of matter. Ladies and gentlemen, this is particle theory of matter. First of all, what exactly is particle theory? Particle theory is just a way to describe the structure of matter and its behavior in a state of, well, matter. A state of matter is just basically everything around us, like literally everything. And it's classified into four different categories: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Basically, solid keeps its shape, liquids flow, gases spread out, and plasma, well, it's just gas which is heated up, so it behaves similar to gases. It also spreads out. But unlike gases, it's incredibly chaotic. Now let's see some examples of those states of matter, and then we'll take a look at their particles. Here are some examples of solids. These are examples of liquids, gases, and finally, here are some examples of plasma. This is a block of ice. Now let's zoom in. How about more zoom? Are you serious? Come on, man. I said more zoom. What is this? Ah, yes, finally. These are the particles in a solid. They're incredibly close, almost as if they're touching each other, but they actually aren't. In fact, particles never touch each other. Now let's zoom into this water. As you can tell, the particles are now more spaced out, and the bond or the attraction between the particles are weaker. And since the attraction between the particles are weaker, the particles can sort of move around. And um unlike solids, well, liquids don't keep their shape. So, yeah. Now let's have a look on what the particles in gases look like. Wow, that's astonishing. The particles in gases have way weaker forces of attraction to each other than solids and liquids, and they also look very different. But even though there's a very weak force of attraction, that doesn't mean there's no force of attraction at all. Now it's time for the fourth and last state of matter, plasma. Let's zoom into this aurora borealis, shall we? These are the particles in, well, plasma, and they react kind of similar to gases as they flow very freely, and just like gases, they have a weak force of attraction to each other. Plasma is an ionized gas consisting of positive ions and free electrons, so they have negative and positive charges in them. And I forgot to mention this, but plasma is just superheated gas, which also has an electrical charge. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this. That's it for particle theory. See you guys later.